Vinaka. My name is Vilise, also known as Mesa. I'm part of the band InsideOut. I play the electric guitar and also backing vocals. Today I'll be showing you what's in my knapsack. Okay, let's see what's first. It's guitar strings. Always take it with me just in case I snap the strings on my guitar. This is a capo, also for the guitar and guitar picks. Okay, this is fish oil. It's good for arthritis. I use it for when I train. Also water. Always stay hydrated. Let's see. Creatine, pre-workout before I train. Also, what do we have here? Yeah, these guitar jacks. I always carry 3 with me, just in case. Yeah, I always take 3 jacks with me all the time before I perform. Rexona. These two smell good. What else do I have? This is a curly sponge, so my hair is like this. I also have a beard brush for my beard, and also one serum for my beard as well. This is a long nose saw pliers. Use this to help me change the strings on the guitar. Makes the work faster. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I said that's it. I'm Mesa. That's what was in my knapsack. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on our YouTube channels. Vinaka.